Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of Blurry on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here in this first page of settings you click. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down and you find here Reddit. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.